Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. In today's video, we are going to discuss a multiple choice question on BRICS. Before starting, let us tell you a little about BRICS. BRICS is a coalition of 5 major emerging economies, Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa, formed to enhance economic cooperation, political dialogue and cultural exchange among its members. Established to promote mutual growth and development, BRICS focuses on fostering trade, investment and collaboration in various sectors. The group also emphasizes a collective approach to global governance and has launched initiatives like the New Development Bank to finance infrastructure and sustainable projects. Annual summits allow leaders to address pressing global issues and strengthen ties within its influential bloc. Now, let us move on to the MCQs. The first question is, what does BRICS stand for? Option A, Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Option B, Belgium, Romania, Indonesia, Canada and Spain. Option C, Brazil, Romania, Iran, China and Sudan. Option D, Bangladesh, Russia, India, China and South Africa. The correct answer is option A, Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. The next question is, when was BRICS officially formed? Option 1995. Option B, 2009. Option C, 2000. Option D, 2012. The correct answer is option B, 2009. The next question is, which country joined BRICS in 2010? Option A, Brazil. Option B, Russia. Option C, India. Option D, South Africa. The correct answer is option D, South Africa. The next question is, what is the main goal of BRICS? Option A, to promote regional trade. Option B, to create military alliances. Option C, to enhance economic cooperation. Option D, to establish a common currency. The correct answer is option C, to enhance economic cooperation. The next question is, which BRICS summit was held in 2023? Option A, 13th. Option B, 15th. Option C, 10th. Option D, 12th. The correct answer is option B, 15. The next question is, which country hosted the BRICS summit in 2024? Option A, Brazil. Option B, Russia. Option C, India. Option D, South Africa. The correct answer is option D, South Africa. The next question is, which country joined BRICS last? Option A, India. Option B, China. Option C, South Africa. Option D, Brazil. The correct answer is option C, South Africa. The next question is, how many countries were proposed to join BRICS in 2024? Option A, 4. Option B, 5. Option C, 6. Option D, 7. The correct answer is option C, 6. The next question is, which country will hold the next BRICS presidency in 2025? Option A, Brazil. Option B, India. Option C, Russia. Option D, China. The correct answer is option A, Brazil. The next question is, What is the currency that BRICS countries had discussed introducing? Option A, BRIC dollar. Option B, BRICS coin. Option C, New Development Bank dollar. Option D, BRICS reserve currency. The correct answer is option D, BRICS reserve currency. The next question is, what is the full form of NDB, the financial institution formed by BRICS? Option A, National Development Bank. Option B, New Development Bank. Option C, Network Development Bank. Option D, New Dollar Bank. The correct answer is option B, New Development Bank. The next question is, which BRICS country has the largest economy by GDP in 2024? Option A, China. Option B, India. Option C, Brazil. Option D, Russia. The correct answer is option A, China. The next question is, BRICS aims to reduce reliance on which global currency? Option A, Euro. Option B, Pound Sterling. Option C, US dollar. Option D, Yen. The correct answer is option C, US dollar. The next question is, how many BRICS summit had taken place up to 2024? Option A, 14. Option B, 15. Option C, 16. Option D, 17. The correct answer is option C, 16. The next question is, which of the following sectors is a key focus for BRICS cooperation? Option A, defense. Option B, space exploration. Option C, health and education. Option D, tourism. The correct answer is option C, health and education. The next question is, which BRICS country is known for promoting the BRICS Plus concept to include more nations? Option A, Brazil. Option B, Russia. Option C, China. Option D, India. The correct answer is option C, China. The next question is, what is the total population of BRIC countries approximately in 2024? Option A, 1.5 billion. Option B, 2.0 billion. Option C, 2.5 billion. Option D, 3.2 billion. The correct answer is option D, 3.2 billion. The next question is, which is a major area concern discussed in BRICS 2024? Option A, climate change. Option B, global security. Option C, economic sanctions. Option D, global energy crisis. The correct answer is option D, global energy crisis. The next question is, BRICS 2024 highlighted the potential inclusion of which region into its framework? Option A, Middle East. Option B, Southeast Asia. Option C, Central America. Option D, Central Asia. The correct answer is option A, Middle East. The next question is, in which city was the 2023 BRICS summit held? Option A, Beijing. Option B, Johannesburg. Option C, New Delhi. Option D, Moscow. correct answer is option B, Johannesburg. The next question is, what is the primary financial institution associated with BRICS? Option A, International Monetary Fund. Option B, World Bank. Option C, New Development Bank. Option D, Asian Development Bank. The correct answer is option C, New Development Bank. The next question is, when was the New Development Bank established? Option A, 2014. Option B, 2015. Option C, 2010. Or option D, 2016. The correct answer is option B, 2015. The next question is, who is the current president of the New Development Bank as of 2023? Option A, Marcos Prado Trojo. Option B, Dilma Rousseff. Option C, Kivi Kamath. Or option D, Leslie Masdort. The correct answer is option B, Dilma Rousseff. The next question is, which of the following sector is a major focus of BRICS cooperation? Option A, defense. Option B, healthcare. Option C, space exploration. Option D, technology and innovation. The correct answer is option D, technology and innovation. The next question is, BRICS represent what percentage of the global population? Option A, 25%. Option B, 30%. Option C, 42%. Option D, 50%. The correct answer is option C, 42%. The next question is, which BRICS country has the largest economy? Option A, Russia. Option B, India. Option C, Brazil. Or option D, China. The correct answer is option D, China. The next question is, in which year did India host the BRICS summit for the first time? Option A, 2011. Option B, 2012. Option C, 2014. Or option D, 2016. The correct answer is option A, 2011. The next question is, what is the official language used during BRICS meetings? Option A, English. Option B, Russian. Option C, Portuguese. Option D, all official languages of member states. The correct answer is option A, English. The next question is, BRICS is often considered a counterweight to which group? Option A, G20. Option B, NATO. Option C, G7. Or option D, European Union. The correct answer is option C, G7. The next question is, which BRICS country is not part of the G20? Option A, Brazil. Option B, South Africa. Option C, India. Or option D, all are part of G20. The correct answer is option D, all are part of G20. The next question is, which country proposed the initial idea of BRIC before South Africa joined? Option A, Russia. Option B, India. Option C, China. Option D, Brazil. The correct answer is option A, Russia. The next question is, what major global event did BRICS countries respond to in their joint communiques? Option A, COVID-19 pandemic. Option B, global financial crisis. Option C, climate change agreements. Option D, Syrian civil war. The correct answer is option B, global financial crisis. The next question is, which of the following countries is not a member of BRICS? Option A, Argentina. Option B, India. Option C, Russia. Option D, Brazil. The correct answer is option A, Argentina. The next question is, how many original members are there when BRICS was first formed excluding South Africa? Option A, 5. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Option D, 6. The correct answer is option C, 4. The next question is, which is the first BRICS country to develop a vaccine for COVID-19? Option A, Brazil. Option B, China. Option C, India. Option D, Russia. The correct answer is option D, Russia. The next question is, BRICS countries account for what percentage of the world's GDP? Option A, 20%. Option B, 30%. Option C, 25%. Option D, 35%. The correct answer is option B, 30%. The next question is, which BRICS nation is known for its leading role in space exploration? Option A, Brazil. Option B, India. Option C, China. Option D, Russia. The correct answer is option D, Russia. The next question is, in which year was the first BRICS summit held? Option A, 2008. Option B, 2009. Option C, 2010. Option D, 2011. The correct answer is option D, 2009. The next question is, what is one of the main themes discussed in BRICS summits? Option A, political unity. Option B, global economic governance. Option C, military cooperation. Option D, space collaboration. The correct answer is option B, global economic governance. The next question is, which BRICS country has the largest population? Option A, Brazil. Option B, Russia. Option C, China. Option D, India. The correct answer is option C, China. The next question is, where is the headquarters of the New Development Bank located? Option A, Johannesburg. Option B, Shanghai. Option C, Moscow. Option D, New Delhi. The correct answer is option B, Shanghai. The next question is, what is the major focus of the New Development Bank? Option A, infrastructure and sustainable development projects. Option B, military funding. Option C, trade agreements. Option D, social welfare programs. The correct answer is option A, infrastructure and sustainable development projects. The next question is, which sector received a major boost through BRICS cooperation in 2021? Option A, technology. Option B, agriculture. Option C, renewable energy. Option D, pharmaceuticals. The correct answer is option D, pharmaceuticals. The next question is, which country was the chair of BRICS in 2021? Option A, India. Option B, Russia. Option C, South Africa. Option D, China. The correct answer is option A, India. The next question is, which BRICS country has the highest literacy rate? Option A, Russia. Option B, India. Option C, Brazil. Option D, South Africa. The correct answer is option A, Russia. The next question is, which BRICS country is known for its agricultural exports? Option A, China. Option B, India. Option C, Brazil. Option D, South Africa. The correct answer is option C, Brazil. The next question is, which international organization do all BRICS members belong to? Option A, United Nations. Option B, NATO. Option C, European Union. Option D, ASEAN. The correct answer is option A, United Nations. The next question is, which two BRIC countries have permanent seats in the UN Security Council? Option A, Brazil and Russia. Option B, India and China. Option C, Russia and China. Option D, South Africa and India. The correct answer is option C, Russia and China. The next question is, BRICS nations are known to cooperate on which of the following issues? Option A, climate change. Option B, international trade. Option C, healthcare. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, which BRICS country is the largest oil producer? Option A, Brazil. Option B, Russia. Option C, China. Option D, India. The correct answer is option B, Russia. The next question is, BRICS countries are committed to which of the following in their meetings? Option A, promoting global peace. Option B, sustainable development. Option C, enhancing trade. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, which BRICS country is the leading manufacturer of electronic goods? Option A, Brazil. Option B, India. Option C, China. Option D, Russia. The correct answer is option C, China. Move to the next question is, Which BRICS member is the largest exporter of software services? Option A Russia. Option B India. Option C Brazil. Option D China. The correct answer is option B India. The next question is, BRICS nation focus on which major area of cooperation? Option A space exploration. Option B education. Option C economic growth and development. Or option D arms trade. The correct answer is option C economic growth and development. The next question is, which BRICS country hosted the first BRICS New Development Bank's annual meeting? Option A China. Option B India. Option C Brazil. Option D Russia. The correct answer is option A China. Next question is, which BRICS nation has been a major advocate for reforming global institutions like the United Nations? Option A Brazil. Option B India. Option C Russia. Or option D South Africa. The correct answer is option B India. The next question is, what role do BRIC countries play in global energy markets? Option A major consumers. Option B major producers. Option C both producers and consumers. Or option D only exporters. The correct answer is option C both producers and consumers. The next question is, which BRICS country has the highest GDP growth rate in recent years? Option A South Africa. Option B Russia. Option B China. Or option D India. The correct answer is option D India. The next question is, which two BRICS countries have nuclear capabilities? Option A India and China. Option B Russia and Brazil. Option C South Africa and China. Or option D India and South Africa. The correct answer is option A India and China. The next question is, what is the primary purpose of the BRICS Business Council? Option A to discuss defense collaboration. Option B to promote trade and investment between BRICS nations. Option C to resolve political issues. Or option D to regulate financial markets. The correct answer is option B to promote trade and investment between BRICS nations. The next question is, which BRICS nation is known for its mineral wealth including gold and diamonds? Option A India. Option B Brazil. Option C South Africa. Option D Russia. The correct answer is option C South Africa. The next question is, which BRICS country is often referred to as the world's factory due to its manufacturing capabilities? Option A India. Option B Russia. Option C China. Option D Brazil. The correct answer is option C China. The next question is, what is one of the major criticisms of BRICS? Option A lack of military cooperation. Option B limited impact on global governance reforms. Option C failure to include more Western countries. Option D lack of financial transparency. The correct answer is option B, limited impact on global governance reforms. The next question is, which of the following is a key environmental initiative supported by BRIC countries? Option A, Global Green New Deal. Option B, Climate Action Plan. Option C, Sustainable Development SDGs. Or option D, Paris Agreement. The correct answer is option D, Paris Agreement. The next question is, how often is a BRICS summit held? Option A, every 2 years. Option B, annually. Option C, every 5 years. Option D, twice a year. The correct answer is option B, annually. The next question is, which BRICS nation has faced the highest inflation rates in recent years? Option A, India. Option B, Brazil. Option C, South Africa. Or option D, Russia. The correct answer is option B, Brazil. The next question is, which BRICS country has hosted the summit the most times? Option A, China. Option B, India. Option C, Russia. Or option D, Brazil. The correct answer is option C, Russia. The next question is, BRICS countries are working together to establish alternatives to which global currency? Option A, Euro. Option B, Yen. Option C, US dollar. Or option D, British pound. The correct answer is option C, US dollar. The next question is, which of the following best describe the BRICS strategy in international relations? Option A, hegemonic dominance. Option B, multipolar world order. Option C, isolationism. Option D, protectionism. The correct answer is option B, multipolar world order. The next question is, BRICS nations are pushing for greater influence in which international organization? Option A, International Monetary Fund. Option B, World Trade Organization. Option C, United Nations. Or option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question is, which BRICS country is the largest natural gas exporter? Option A, India. Option B, Brazil. Option C, China. Or option D, Russia. The correct answer is option D, Russia. The next question is, in which area have BRICS nations shown significant collaboration? Option A, renewable energy. Option B, arms trade. Option C, space exploration. Or option D, tourism. The correct answer is option A, renewable energy. The next question is, which two BRICS nations have ongoing border disputes? Option A, China and Brazil. Option B, India and China. Option C, Russia and South Africa. Option D, Brazil and India. The correct answer is option B, India and China. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Knowledge Library.